I'm making 1/3 pound cheeseburger patties, basically cheeseburgers, in Nuwave oven. I put 2 layers of aluminum foil, and it still leaks with 2 layers. So here's the strategy: you crumble it and make the fat interrupt between those uneven spots. So I didn't plan to make a video, but I salted frozen patties and put some black pepper on them. And salt like this. I add salt, little bit of crack here. Okay. It will take 10 minutes for them to cook through. You can probably fit 3, but I'm gonna put hamburger bun on this side. Now I need to add some fresh onions, and it's gonna be a grilled onion cheeseburger. It will probably take this much onion. Okay, great. Although this is salted, I'm not gonna salt onions because they will excrete a lot of water because of salt. So onions go as they are, no salt. They will cook simultaneously with the beef. And then they will be covered with cheese. It takes 10 minutes to cook hamburger patty on default temperature, which is 350. But I'm gonna cook 3 minutes less, so 7 minutes total. Then I'm gonna add cheese and hamburger patties. Cook time 7, stuffed, that's all. This one you can keep in Ziploc bag. Let's see. For next time. In refrigerator. There you go. See you in 7 minutes. Okay, it's stopped. Now I'm gonna get a burger bun and sprinkle it with oil, olive oil. I'll heat it for 2 minutes on default temperature and then add cheese. Cook time 2, start. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. It's still wet. I prefer to cook it a little bit longer, but I don't want my meat to be overcooked. This is mild meat cheddar cheese, This is American cheese. I use it for goofiness. So I'm gonna heat for another minute and then assemble the cheeseburger. Cook time 1, start. After that minute goes off, I will let everything sit in here for a couple minutes to, you know, let the meat rest under the lid, and then I will assemble cheeseburger. Okay, it's been a few minutes. It's pretty good, not very soft, not very soggy. So I will decorate burger buns with sriracha. And ketchup. Okay. This is American cheese. Cheddar cheese. And the head. This is what you got. Nuwave oven. Grilled Onion Cheeseburger. 2 3/4 pound patties. Happy cooking.